Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a DCF model template by using Excel. Discounted cash flow DCF model can be expressed in this summation form. It is assumed that the price of an asset, say housing price, equals to the sum of all its future discounted net incomes. So say, for example, in the first year, the net rental income is A1. So then we discounted it to the present value by this 1 plus R to the power T denominator. Then the second year until the end of the lease. So we can write it in a summation form where P naught is the present value or the market price of the asset, and AT represent the cash flow at year T. In housing, it refers to the net future income, and R is the discount rate, and capital T refers to the time of the last period, say for example the end of the lease. So I have prepared a template for estimating DCF value. So according to the formula, so we have these 4 input parameters. They are the weekly rent, management fee, and then the expected growth rate and the discount rate. For the number of years, you can change it according to the length of the leasehold interest. But normally, when n larger than 100, because of the discounting effect, they becomes negligible. So then each column represents one of the terms shown in the DCF equation. So in year 1, say for example, if the weekly rent is 500 New Zealand dollar, then 500 times 52 equals to 26,650, and the management fee would be 2,665 in year 1. So the net income would be R dash minus M dash. That's what we call the net cash flow. So in other words, in year 1, this housing unit can generate a net income of 23,985, assuming that the income comes at the end of the year. So we have to discount it back to the present value based on the discount rate of 5%. That means we divide this NCF by means of this discount factor in present value. It is equivalent to 22,843. Similarly, then the second years, we assume that rent be growing by this G%. Here I assume that it is growing at 2.5%, that you can change it to see what would be the difference. Then the third year, the fourth years, based on the same formulas I show in this column. And then there are 100 columns which I do not show. Then summing up all this row, the DCF row, then it is equivalent to $894,469. So in other words, if we assume that the market price of this house is equivalent to the sum of all its future discounted net income, then this house market price is estimated to be about $900,000. You can try it. It's available at this